The founding of Baghdad and the vision of Caliph Al-Man are when the newly established Abbasid dynasty looked upon the vast territories it now ruled. One question dominated the mind of its second and most architecturally visionary Caliph Abu Ja'far al-Mansur. Where will the heart of this new empire beat? The Umayyads had ruled from Damascus, a city tied deeply to Arab tribal dominance, but al-Mansur wanted a capital that reflected something grander, a civilization built not merely on conquest, but on intellect, inclusion, and the fusion of cultures from Persia, Arabia, the Levant, and beyond. His eyes fell upon a fertile plain near the Tigris River, a crossroads of ancient trade routes, surrounded by waterways, rich soil, and positioned almost exactly between the Mediterranean world and the Persian plateau. Here, he envisioned a city unlike any constructed before, not a simple seat of power, but a symbol of cosmic order, a reflection of divine harmony, and a blueprint for the future of Islamic governance. In 762 CE, he ordered the foundation of Baghdad, a name echoing ancient Persian roots, meaning gift of God. What emerged over the next 4 years was nothing short of architectural poetry. Designed as a perfect circle nearly 2 kilometers in diameter, Baghdad became known as the Round City, with its grand walls, four monumental gates, and the Caliph's palace, the Golden Gate Palace, rising at the very center like a sun surrounded by orbiting planets. This layout was intentional. Al-Mansur sought to reflect unity, balance, and order, with the caliphate serving as the axis of a harmonious world. Surrounding him, he placed mosques, government institutions, libraries, homes for scholars, and markets bustling with traders from China, India, Africa, and Byzantium. Baghdad quickly became a magnet for poets, thinkers, mathematicians, theologians, physicians, and translators. Its markets echoed with dozens of languages, its streets filled with the perfumes of distant lands, its palaces vibrating with debates on philosophy and theology. In founding Baghdad, al-Mansur didn't merely build a city. He planted the seed of what would become the intellectual capital of the medieval world, the luminous center of the Islamic Golden Age.